What's in it? Yep. I don't think this. I can't. I'll just come back. Why are you coming back? Go.
Said she's straight from London. She went with like a Rodan. Yeah, straight from London. Girl looking cute on her contour, but she came through on the dance floor. Got my feelings so now she wonder. Yeah, straight from London. Girl looking cute on her contour.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's your girl Daniella. Today I'm gonna change the YouTube channel. It's Daniella's Kitchen.
Yeah. Period.
You know that Gloria is there.
Yeah,
She's
I'm the
gonna
one
help
recording.
me out.
Yeah.
So today, come over please.
Yeah, I should come over.
Today,
Yeah.
we are going to prepare Ghanaian fried yam.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to cut the yam and Gloria was going to fly it.
What?
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Me?
What? Yeah.
Oh my god.
She's gonna fly and I'll be preparing the mako. The pepper.
Firstly, you need to call for the fire service. Because if you start doing this shit, you need to call your fire service, yeah?
Yeah, so
Okay.
I'm gonna cut
So,
it.
yeah. Let's see.
What's in it?
Yeah. Daniella is washing the yam. Yeah. She's busy. Busy for nothing.
This is the first round.
Daniella look like as a cooker mama cooker.
Okay. A little salt.
She wanna add a little salt, you feel me?
Not a little salt, like more.
More. Oh,
I'll kill you today. I
you
swear.
kill me today. Yeah.
Gonna mix all of them together.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna see just right here. It looks beautiful, I swear. Oh my god. I'm gonna just stay right here. And
I can't hear you, Stephen.
And Gloria is gonna fly it.
Fly what?
Yes.
Pardon?
Fly what?
The yam.
Oh my god.
Like, really?
You are not ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You are not ready.
Yeah, I'm seriously.
You are not ready.
Yeah, I am.
Definitely. You are
So
not
I'm
ready.
just cleaning. I'm cleaning up a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm cleaning the downstairs for a little
What did you
bit.
say?
So guys, no, you have to fly there. You know I have to turning here a little bit. So for the high place, you know, put in my oil. I don't know what. Yeah. She get.
She's good.
That's a little more. Put in more oil.
Why are you doing shit though?
I'm flying.
Okay.
Oh god! No, I'm okay. This is how it's supposed to be. What the fuck?
Okay, so guys, wait till the end, yeah.
Yeah, she's gonna fly it.
Definitely. It's not easy here. Daniella, you are not marriage material. I
Yes,
swear.
I am. Yes, I am.
You are not. Let's go.
Do you want your pepper to be high or low or
We need high because we're going to do get stuck. You feel me? So
whatever?
yeah.
So how many?
Hey, no, 3 is enough.
No, 4.
3, okay.
Okay. So I'm done. I'm just gonna grind the pepper.
Yeah.
And she's there. Don't fly the. Yeah, I swear.
I'm
You
going to
will
fly.
eat this pepper alone. Stupid.
I'm the one doing. Yeah, Gloria is the best cooker ever. Yeah, Gloria is the
Bruh,
best cooker.
I just did it.
No, I'm the
I
one
did
with no. No, the video will tell us because actually I'm the one who did it. Can't you see? No, do that shit there. I'm the one flying, as Daniella said already.
She's back. So guys, you know Ghanaian style.
Yeah.
Just use this. What do you call this?
Dear Ochimo.
Asanka.
Eh?
Yeah.
Asaka.
Asanka. Oh. Yeah, it's Asanka. I don't know.
I don't know.
But we actually call it Aptoria.
See. See this.
long. I'm just long.
Yeah, she's too long.
Yeah, too long.
Okay, we are doing something crazy here, y'all.
Yeah, and the herbs.
So Ghana is now in Belgium.
Yeah.
Ghana about Belgium.
Hey, right there.
I'm the one flying, oh, okay. Guys, I'm the one flying. Can't you see? I'm the one flying. Daniela is doing this. What? I don't know how they call this.
Grounded pepper.
Okay, let me try. Oh my God, girl is the best cooker. Ambulance. Okay. Definitely no. I'm the one because I'm the legend boss. Period.
I can cook better than her. Don't mind her.
You can cook better than who?
You.
Huh?
You. No comment. I can cook better.
No, repeat that shit.
I can cook better than Gloria. Period.
Oh my God, so you make a statement, right?
Yeah.
Guys, I can cook better, more
Yeah,
better
I
than
can cook
Daniela.
better
So
than-
this girl over there, you can cook better than me. I swear to God, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God, this girl is crazy. What? No, what are you trying to do? Oh, Daniela, she's the best cooker ever.
It's been 12 days. I think I'm thinking straight.
Harriet, yeah, she actually did. Yeah, but I'm the one who cook. Oh,
Yeah. She's the one who flies the yam. It's looking beautiful.
Yeah.
But I made it purple. Like, you know, purple.
yeah, Harriet. Okay, so we're done. We're about to end. Yeah.
Like, we have our yam. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it.
Yeah.
And the pepper. It's actually looking nice.
Yeah. Can I ask you a question?
Ayaka.
Can I ask you a question?
No, listen guys. They asked us, would we ever date our friend X? Are you going to first?
No.
And why?
Why? Because my friend was saying that like this. I was like, I like that guy. No, but I don't like the guy. You feel me?
No, if you like him and he likes you,
Definitely yes.
would you date my boyfriend?
Your
My
ex?
ex-boyfriend.
No.
Why? And if you
If he likes me, then I'll
and you
say
like him,
I will say yes. But wait. Don't force me to do what I don't want to do. Like guys, I will say yeah, but not yes. Like yes. So if he's good, then I say okay, I'll go for him.
so
Period.
oh my God, you broke the girl's code. Shut up.
I will listen, guys.
That is a thing I will never do in my life, because my friend will even think that they will start hating me. They will think, oh my God, when we were dating, like we were in a relationship, I like him. And
Whatever.
no, that's actually cheating.
No. They actually broke up. So
Okay, let's just make this.
No, wait.
Would you date him more?
no.
Why? If you find him attractive?
No.
Like if you
no.
like him. and
That,
he
no,
likes
no, that
you,
one no. No.
I
That's
see. Why?
Why? There's no like Webby is my best friend.
And
And
I'm
how-
not your friend.
No,
So
wait. How can I date wife? No, don't bring that matter here.
No, okay, but you know date Webby's boyfriend, but you will date my
Because I know the person. I know who I'm talking about, right?
okay, whatever. So the next question is, I don't even, okay, you have to ask,
I said, okay,
but you don't have to ask me. You have to ask like us.
okay, okay, will you ever go to date without knowing the person?
Blind date.
Like something like that.
Without knowing him, like,
Knowing him, just like social media relationship, and
oh yes, I will do.
he told you to meet, and then you go. Oh my God. Now,
Yeah.
Okoro is someone. come on here.
I'll just come back.
I don't take this.
I can't.
Why
I'll just come back.
are you coming back? Go. I'm not going to date.
Like, not that kind of date. Bruh.
Yeah, that's social media. Yeah. You see me.
Will you go
Where?
to a blind date?
No.
Why?
Because I don't know the person I'm going to meet.
Okay, next question.
Okay, will he ever accept your ex back? I'm asking you, Daniela.
And you too.
Yeah? I don't know.
No.
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 Just no.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
Cause I don't want you back.
But he needs
Hey.
you back. He got
That's
everything
his
in life.
problem. That's his problem. Not mine. Oh my god.
For me, I would say yes and no.
Okay.
Okay, right?
Okay.
You done?
Why yes or no? Why not yes or no? Just a straight question.
Because I think like I feel him. I like my ex back. Like I will be there, ex maybe.
Like, that all. We're just single.
YouTube, you're not ready.
Yeah, you're not ready for our lives.
You're not ready.
La phone place you're ready.
Okay, so guys, I think we need to end this video.
I don't know why.
And we eat our food.
Okay. Then just eat.
Why we so sorry? Why we? I hope you're going to enjoy this video as well.
Doing this for you guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, by the way.
Bye.